Typhoon Kompasu brings strong winds and heavy rain to southern China. On October 12, the Shenzhen Meteorological Observatory issued the first yellow typhoon alert of the year due to the influence of Typhoon Kompasu. The East Coast has seen force 9 to 10 gusts. The staff of the meteorological station and the wind speed measurement was blown almost unstable, expected to be 10 to 12 gusts on the Wednesday. Shenzhen 3rd Prevention Headquarters raised the city's typhoon response to level 3, requiring all units to do a good job in temporary construction. In addition, Fuzhou of Fujian Province and the coastal areas of Hainan Island saw strong winds and rain due to Typhoon Kompasu. All schools in Chang'an District were closed after the District Meteorological Bureau issued an orange alert. The Hong Kong Observatory also issued a warning signal over Typhoon Kompasu, with the organization noting that strong winds and intense showers are expected and that local authorities have contacted residents in case of a need for evacuation.